Hey, I'm back with a new topic today. The topic that I have brought for you is of articles. It means we are going to learn the articles in an easy way today. Now let's get started. The question arises, what are articles? An article is actually a word that modifies or describes a noun. It is used before the noun and it refers to something specific or maybe general. Now, how many types of articles are there? The articles are basically divided into two kinds or two types, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the, that is used with any particular person, things, etc. And indefinite are and an, that are used with general things. So, definite article is the and indefinite articles are and an. You can say the definite articles are specific and indefinite articles are general. So, we are going to learn the uses of the articles are, an, or the. An article is used with the things that are starting with the vowels a, e, I, o, u, and a is used with the consonant other than the vowels. Like apple, a is an article, so we have to add an, and book, b is a consonant, so here you have to add the articles a. Now, in this condition, you can see he is a doctor. He is a doctor. There is nothing special about that doctor. It's a general thing that he is a doctor. So that's why we are going to use the article a. D is a consonant. That's why we are going to add the article a. And not n. N is used with the vowels. Now in the other condition, he is a doctor who treated me. Now there is something that is specific about that doctor. He is the doctor who treated me. Who treated me is representing something special about the doctor. That's why we are going to add the article the here. I hope you all have understood the difference between the article a and the. With a specific thing and something specific about the thing, in that condition use the. Okay, now I am going to explain the use of articles with the help of some examples. Now let's start. Dash apple. I have already told you some condition that with the vowels you have to add an, and with the consonants you have to add a. So here you have to check the first letter of the word, that is a, and we all know that a, e, I, o, u are the articles. So without giving any further thought, second thought, just have to add an here. Now, orange. Again, look at the first letter, that is O. O is a vowel. Add N. Now, grape. G is a consonant, and with the consonant you have to add A. Now, R. Okay, guys, there is a second condition also. In some cases, if there is a consonant, we know the rule, with the consonant you have to add a, but with R, here we have to add an. Now the question arises that H is a consonant, so why I am adding an here? So when I was a kid, my teacher told me a wonderful trick that I am going to tell you guys also. If you are going to write any word in Urdu, if it starts with the Urdu letter alif, then R means, if you are going to write in Urdu with the pronunciation, not like the spelling. The spelling is with H. You are not going to write it with H. It is pronunciated as R. So that's why I have written it with the pronunciation, that is, if it starts with alif or alif with A, you have to add the article N. Now, founder. There is nothing special written with this founder, and no detail is written here. So F starts with the consonant. F is a consonant, so here we have to add A. Now, founder of Pakistan. If you look at both of these, you can find out that founder is a common word. Sorry, but founder of Pakistan is something special. So here you have to add the articles the, because I have already told you that the is used with something specific. Now, apple and red apple. There is something specific about the apple, that the apple is red. That's why here I have to write the article the. Boy. Now look at these two. Dash boy, who is my class fellow. Boy is a common word. So here we have to add an indefinite article. Indefinite articles are a and n. This is not a vowel, this is a consonant. So here we have to add a. But look at this. Boy who is my class fellow. Now there is something special about the boy, that I am talking about the boy who is my class fellow. This is specific. That's why here I have to add the article the. I hope this lecture will be useful for you. Stay tuned for the next lecture of mine. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.